Sounds bold? Good. Because this is the truth most anti-aging influencers won't tell you. While you're spending hundreds on creams that only touch the surface, your real fountain of youth is sitting quietly in your kitchen, your breakfast plate. Let's be real. Most people think aging is just about genetics or expensive skincare. But new research proves that certain foods, when eaten first thing in the morning, can literally rebuild your collagen from the inside out. That means fewer wrinkles, tighter skin, stronger joints, and a younger glow that no serum can replicate. In this video, I'm not giving you generic health tips like eat more fruit. Instead, I'll show you 8 specific science-backed breakfasts that trigger your body's natural collagen production, fight off skin sagging, and give you the kind of glow people can't stop complimenting. So if you're ready to eat your way to younger skin, not just hope for it, let's dive in. Number 1. Collagen Coffee Smoothie Bowl. Imagine starting your day with something that not only energizes you, but also nourishes your skin at the cellular level. That's exactly what this collagen-rich smoothie bowl is designed to do. It's a breakfast that goes beyond satisfying hunger. It works like a beauty treatment from the inside out. This bowl is built around one of the most effective anti-aging compounds available today, collagen peptides. These are hydrolyzed forms of collagen, meaning they've been broken down into smaller amino acids that are easy for your body to absorb and use. When consumed regularly, collagen peptides help rebuild the skin's structural matrix, reducing fine lines and improving firmness and elasticity. But collagen on its own isn't enough. Your body needs cofactors to properly synthesize and utilize it. That's where blueberries come in. Rich in vitamin C and polyphenol, they not only activate collagen production, but also protect existing collagen from breakdown caused by oxidative stress. In fact, studies have shown that diets high in vitamin C are directly correlated with fewer wrinkles and better skin hydration. The addition of Greek yogurt provides probiotics to support gut health, which plays a critical role in inflammation and how nutrients are absorbed, 2 key players in aging. Almond butter brings in healthy fats that support skin barrier function and long-lasting satiety. Cold brew coffee adds another layer of benefit. Caffeine increases blood flow to the skin, improving circulation and enhancing the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to skin cells. To make this bowl, blend 1 scoop of collagen peptides, 1 frozen banana, half a cup of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, and a 1/3 cup of cold brew coffee. Pour into a bowl and top with 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and a handful of fresh blueberries. This is more than breakfast. It's your daily dose of skin renewal and energy clarity, all in one creamy, delicious bowl. Number 2. Avocado toast with smoked salmon and microgreens. There's a reason this breakfast has become a staple among wellness enthusiasts and skin-conscious celebrities alike. Avocado toast may look simple, but when paired with smoked salmon, poached egg, and microgreens, it becomes a collagen-preserving powerhouse that supports your skin, joints, and brain all before you finish your first cup of tea. Let's break it down. First, the avocado. This fruit is rich in monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, both essential for maintaining a strong, resilient skin barrier. Vitamin E, in particular, is a powerful antioxidant that protects collagen from oxidative damage, especially in environments with pollution or UV exposure. The healthy fats in avocado also help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, and K, all of which play roles in skin repair. Now layer on smoked salmon. Salmon is one of the richest sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation in the skin and prevent collagen degradation. Chronic inflammation is a silent collagen killer, and omega-3s help neutralize it at the root. Additionally, salmon provides astaxanthin, a unique antioxidant shown in studies to improve skin elasticity and reduce wrinkles in as little as 8 weeks. Adding a poached egg completes the trifecta. Eggs are a natural source of collagen-building amino acids like proline, glycine, and lysine. They also contain biotin, a B vitamin critical for skin regeneration and elasticity. A sprinkle of radish sprouts or microgreens adds an extra layer of skin support. These tiny greens are concentrated in phytonutrients and sulforaphane, which help detoxify the body and protect skin at the DNA level. To make it, toast 1 slice of sourdough or sprouted grain bread. Mash half an avocado with a pinch of lemon juice. Add 2 ounces of smoked salmon, 1 soft poached egg, and a handful of microgreens. The result? A breakfast that looks elegant, tastes indulgent, and nourishes your skin at every level. Number 3. Bone broth breakfast soup, a cozy morning ritual that rebuilds you from within. If you've ever started your day feeling stiff, bloated, or just plain sluggish, it may be time to swap the cold cereal and toast for something warmer and more restorative. Enter bone broth breakfast soup, a simple, comforting meal that's gaining traction among health-conscious Americans for its incredible benefits for skin, joints, and digestion. Bone broth has long been a staple in traditional diets, and for good reason. It's one of the richest natural sources of type I and III collagen, the same types that support firm skin, healthy hair, strong nails, and flexible joints. When made properly, simmered slowly for 12 to 24 hours, bone broth extracts powerful amino acids like glycine and proline, which help rebuild collagen and reduce signs of aging from the inside out. But the benefits don't stop at collagen. Bone broth is also packed with minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, nutrients many women over 40 are often low in, especially during and after menopause. These minerals support not just bone health, but also nerve function and energy levels. To make it more complete, you can add in baby spinach or chopped kale for vitamin A and folate, and toss in sliced mushrooms for selenium and antioxidants. Want extra gut support? Stir in a spoonful of miso paste or a splash of apple cider vinegar just before serving. Both enhance flavor while nourishing your microbiome. Here's a quick version. Heat 1 cup of high-quality bone broth. Add a handful of spinach, a few mushrooms, and stir in 1 teaspoon of miso, optional. You can also top it with a poached egg for extra protein and skin-repairing nutrients. It's warm. It's savory. It's 5 minutes of care that your skin, joints, and gut will thank you for all day. Number 4. Buckwheat banana pancakes with Greek yogurt. Who says comfort food can't be good for your skin? These soft, nutty buckwheat banana pancakes are warm, satisfying, and loaded with skin-rejuvenating nutrients that support collagen from every angle. It's the kind of breakfast that feels indulgent, but actually works like a beauty treatment from within. Let's start with the star, buckwheat. Despite its name, buckwheat is not related to wheat and is naturally gluten-free. It's one of the few plant-based foods that contain all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. But what makes it truly unique for anti-aging is rutin, a flavonoid that helps strengthen capillaries, protect collagen from oxidative stress, and reduce skin inflammation. Bananas bring in natural sweetness along with prebiotic fiber, which nourishes the good bacteria in your gut. And as we know, gut health is directly linked to how your skin looks and feels. A healthy gut helps regulate inflammation and ensures better absorption of nutrients like zinc and vitamin C, both of which are critical for collagen formation. Top it all off with a generous scoop of Greek yogurt, and you've got a protein boost plus probiotics to support digestion and skin clarity. Add fresh strawberries or blueberries for an antioxidant kick, and a drizzle of raw honey or a dash of cinnamon for extra flavor and blood sugar balance. To make it, mash 1 ripe banana and whisk with 1 egg and half a cup buckwheat flour. Add a splash of almond milk until the batter is pourable. Cook like regular pancakes, then serve with Greek yogurt and berries. These pancakes don't just satisfy your cravings. They help smooth your skin, balance your hormones, and keep you full and glowing all morning long. Number 5. Chia pudding with kiwi, mango, and hemp seeds. If your idea of a perfect morning includes something light, cool, and naturally sweet, this tropical chia pudding is exactly what your skin ordered. It's rich, refreshing, and takes less than 5 minutes to prep the night before, giving you a breakfast that feels like a treat but acts like skincare. The base of this dish is chia seeds, tiny powerhouses that deliver a unique combination of omega-3 fatty acids, plant-based protein, and fiber. Omega-3s are essential for skin hydration and reducing inflammation, 2 major factors that impact collagen breakdown as we age. The fiber also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the healthy gut bacteria that help regulate hormones and improve skin clarity. But what really makes this pudding shine are the toppings. Kiwi is one of the most concentrated sources of vitamin C, which plays a key role in collagen production and skin repair. Just one kiwi can deliver over 100% of your daily vitamin C needs, and studies have linked kiwi consumption with smoother, more elastic skin in women over 40. Mango adds not only tropical flavor, but also beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This helps accelerate skin cell turnover and fight oxidative damage. Finally, hemp seeds bring in a dose of plant-based protein and zinc, two essential nutrients for skin healing and collagen stabilization. To make it, mix 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with half a cup of unsweetened coconut milk or almond milk. Stir well and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, top with sliced kiwi, mango chunks, and 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds. This is a no-cook, no-stress breakfast that delivers visible skin benefits and a tropical mood boost in every bite. Number 6. Egg and veggie frittata with goat cheese. If you're looking for a hearty, protein-rich breakfast that keeps you full for hours and gives your skin the building blocks it craves, look no further than a classic vegetable frittata, elevated with creamy goat cheese and antioxidant-rich greens. Eggs are the foundation here, and they're a skin health superstar. They naturally contain proline and glycine, 2 amino acids essential for collagen synthesis. Eggs also deliver biotin, a B vitamin that supports skin cell renewal and elasticity. For women over 40, including high-quality protein early in the day helps stabilize blood sugar and support hormonal balance, both of which influence how your skin looks and feels. Add in leafy greens like spinach or kale, and you bring in folate and vitamin A, 2 nutrients that promote faster skin regeneration and protect against sun-related aging. Colorful vegetables like bell peppers or cherry tomatoes add not just flavor and fiber, but a dose of vitamin C, which works synergistically with your body to build and protect collagen. Goat cheese isn't just a creamy indulgence. It's also easier to digest than cow's milk cheese and rich in calcium and healthy fats, which help maintain skin barrier function. The tangy flavor adds depth without weighing you down. To make it, whisk 3 whole eggs with a splash of almond milk. Stir in chopped spinach, diced bell peppers, and 1 to 2 ounces of crumbled goat cheese. Pour into a grease skillet or oven-safe dish and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until set. This frittata isn't just filling. It supports your skin, your hormones, and your energy, making it the perfect feel-good, age-defying way to start your morning. Number 7. Walnut and Quinoa Breakfast Bowl. If you're in the mood for something cozy, hearty, and deeply nourishing, this warm walnut and quinoa breakfast bowl is everything your body and skin could ask for. It's like oatmeal, but smarter, richer in nutrients, and designed to protect and rebuild your collagen naturally. At the heart of this breakfast is quinoa, a gluten-free seed that's often referred to as a supergrain. It's one of the few plant-based foods that provides all 9 essential amino acids, the exact building blocks your body needs to synthesize new collagen. A 2018 study published in Nutrients found that complete protein intake was directly associated with improved skin elasticity and wound healing, especially in older adults. Quinoa is also high in zinc, which plays a vital role in collagen production and skin repair. Deficiencies in zinc have been linked to slower tissue regeneration and increased inflammation, both of which accelerate aging. Next come the walnuts, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and polyphenol. These nutrients help reduce oxidative damage to skin cells and prevent collagen cross-linking, a process that makes skin stiff and wrinkled. A 2020 randomized trial in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that women who ate a small serving of walnuts daily for 12 weeks had significantly improved skin hydration and fewer fine lines. Topping your bowl with pumpkin seeds provides an extra dose of magnesium and zinc, while a handful of pomegranate seeds delivers powerful antioxidants, including punicalagins, which have been shown in lab studies to protect skin fibroblasts, the cells that produce collagen. Finally, a sprinkle of cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar, which is essential because excess glucose contributes to a process called glycation, where sugar molecules bind to collagen and degrade its structure. To make it, cook half a cup of quinoa in unsweetened almond milk with a pinch of sea salt. Once it's soft and creamy, top with 1 tablespoon crushed walnuts, 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds, a small handful of pomegranate seeds, and a dash of cinnamon. This isn't just breakfast. It's your daily investment in skin strength, joint health, and graceful aging, backed by both tradition and science. Number 8. Blue-Green Beauty Smoothie. For those mornings when you want something light, refreshing, and packed with anti-aging power, this blue-green smoothie delivers in both color and function. It's not just beautiful. It's a potent blend of ingredients that help defend your skin from aging while actively supporting collagen regeneration. The star ingredient is spirulina, a blue-green algae that's been used for centuries for its high nutrient density. It contains all essential amino acids and is rich in glycine and proline, the same amino acids that form the base of collagen. According to a 2020 review in Marine Drugs, spirulina also provides antioxidants like phycocyanin, which reduce oxidative stress in skin cells and protect against collagen degradation caused by UV exposure and pollution. Next comes pineapple, which provides a powerful enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain helps reduce inflammation and supports digestion, both of which are key to maintaining healthy, vibrant skin. Better digestion means better absorption of nutrients like vitamin C and zinc, 2 of the most important cofactors in collagen production. Cucumber adds hydration and silica, a trace mineral that supports the structure of skin and improves elasticity. A 2016 study in Clinical, Cosmetic, and Investigational Dermatology found that dietary silica intake was significantly associated with improved skin texture and reduced wrinkles in middle-aged women. Blend all of this with coconut water, which is naturally rich in electrolytes, to promote hydration, a critical factor in skin plumpness and collagen preservation. You can enhance the effect even further by adding a scoop of collagen peptides or marine collagen powder for immediate building blocks. To make it, blend half a cup fresh pineapple, 1/2 peeled cucumber, 1 teaspoon spirulina powder, half a cup coconut water, and 1 scoop collagen powder. Serve cold. This smoothie is your skin's morning defense shield, fighting aging at the cellular level while giving you a bright, energized start to the day. Let's face it, no serum or skin cream can undo what poor nutrition does from the inside. If you're serious about looking and feeling younger, it starts not with your mirror, but with your morning. Each of the 8 breakfasts we've covered isn't just a meal. It's a carefully designed blend of collagen-building nutrients, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory fats, and hormone-supporting compounds. Whether you're sipping on a green smoothie, slicing into a warm frittata, or stirring up chia pudding, you're not just eating. You're nourishing your skin, your gut, your energy, and your longevity. And the best part? These are meals you'll actually look forward to. No deprivation. No complicated supplements. Just real, whole foods that deliver visible results. So the next time you wake up wondering what to eat, ask yourself this. Will this help me look younger, feel stronger, and age on my own terms? If the answer is yes, you're on the right track.